It's a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. Features include Ecotec 3 engine, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, tow haul mode, trailer hitch receiver, integrated navigation system, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, active grille shutters, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Of the Sierra, Truck Trend explains, the Vortec 4800 winds through the power band quickly, setting up the transmission for a precise shift. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Suburban Chevrolet, we're all about service, selection, and value. We're conveniently located in Eden Prairie at Highway 494 and Highway 5. Suburban Chevrolet, a dealer for the people.